Hey, this is what we're going to be using today from our leftovers. So this is the reason why I told you guys, do not throw your scraps away, because it can be used for something else, for another project. So today I will be showing you guys how you can make tutu socks, or tutu anklet. People call it different names. Tutu ruffle, whatever you call it, it's fine. But so this is, I have a tutu that I made. It is Princess Tiana's inspired tutu, and so I use those two colors. So that's the reason why I'm going to be using these two colors for the tutu ruffles. So the anklet ruffle, or whatever you call it. So of course I need, for each socks, not socks, but for each tutu ruffles or anklet ruffles, let's call it anklet ruffles, for each anklet, if I can speak, for each anklet ruffle, we are gonna need 2 yards each. So these two colors, I'm gonna cut 2 yards of each, so it's gonna be a total of 4 yards, and 2 on each color, basically. So each what they call it now, each feet or each leg is gonna have 1 yard of the dark green, and the other leg is gonna have 1 yard of the light green. So that's what I am trying to do here. So I already got 2 yards of this dark green, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get the 2 yards from the other what they call it now, from the mint green. So now the measurement for this here, you can see it is like 6 inches, but all I need is 3 inches for this. So basically 3 inches for each of the leg. So I don't want it to be more than 3. So what I'm gonna do is just to cut 3 inches, and I'm not gonna throw away the other one that is left. I know it's so little, but you can make another tutu ruffle with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. So the best way for me to cut this is, of course, you can see what I'm doing is to like fold it this way, so that way I can cut it into 2, because it's so like long. So the best way is just to fold it, honey, and measure it and cut it. So that's it. So as you can see, those 2/2 is 3 inches. So now I am gonna go ahead and do the same thing for this mint green, the same way I did the dark green. That's the same way I'm gonna do the mint green. So now I am gonna start working on them, and this is 3 inches, and I have the other one as 3 inches. So each of them has 2 yards in it. So these ones, I am definitely saving them for the next project. You don't want to throw them away, so always save your tool, because you never know what you're going to use them for. So those ones are actually can also be used for these tutu socks. So now I am trying to measure 1 yard, take out 1 yard out of this green, and I'm gonna take out 1 yard of the mint green as well. But I shouldn't have actually done that. I should have just go ahead and sew this whole thing, sew the ribbon on it, then go ahead and take it out afterwards. So I just wanted to let you guys know that's my opinion. That's the best way, because that's gonna help you go faster in. So I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did for the other green, the dark green. I'm gonna do the same thing, take out 1 yard. That's what I'm trying to do here from this one, and cut it, and also sew the ribbon on it individually. So like I told you guys, I prefer going forward, I'm just going to go ahead and sew the whole thing, and later take out the 1 yard out of it. But if you're doing a solid color without mixing up the colors, then you'll be really good, because you just do 2 yards and call it good. Actually, you have a chance to sew 4 yards at once without cutting it before you go ahead and cut it. So that's my opinion. I'll show you. I hope this was helpful. I hope you really understand what I'm trying to say. But I have more videos coming, so that's gonna help you guys out. So this is the ribbon that I'm gonna be using. You guys seen exactly what I did. So I actually folded the tool into two. You know how when we're creating our channel, it is folded into two. So that's what I did here. I just folded it into two equal halves. And guys, this two combination of ribbons is the bomb. Like, that glitter is a bomb. But let me just let you guys know, glitter can drive you crazy, because it's going to be all over the place. And I just hope the kid and the parents can deal with the glitter because it's crazy. So, but anyways, I am gonna go ahead and set myself up and get myself ready, and I'm gonna start sewing that on it. So this is how the ribbon is gonna be placed. Like, you don't have to do it one at a time. You put the both of them together. This is the fastest and easiest way. This is actually easier than it's faster than making tutu. So you just add everything together, and you don't have to create a channel. That is a channel there. That's it, honey. So I am just gonna go ahead and put everything together and start sewing. Alright guys, so you guys know the rule of thumb is always get your backward stitch when you start. You don't want to miss that part. And you guys already know the same rule that applies, the same rule that you use for your tutu, arranging it, putting your ribbons. That's the same rule that applies to this. So backward stitch first, you guys can see, and you start sewing. While you're sewing, you make sure you arrange your ribbon. So like I told you guys, this, you don't have to do nothing. You don't have to put the ribbon pretty place down and pretty place up and all of that good stuff. This one, all pretty place facing up, and you just start sewing as regular and arrange as you go. Make sure I just thought about this. Make sure that the ribbons are like aligned with each other. So basically, your top ribbon should be aligned with your bottom ribbon, like directly aligned with each other, so that you don't want to sew, because when we're sewing, we want to make sure we're sewing on the left hand side of the ribbon. We don't want to sew on the right hand side, because you're gonna have a flabby ribbon. So you want to sew on your left hand side, all the way on your left hand side. So make sure that the bottom ribbon is aligned directly on the top ribbon, so that way, because as you're sewing on your left hand side, you don't want to miss the bottom ribbon. I hope I'm making any sense. Sometimes I just feel like I cannot communicate properly for you guys to understand, but I hope you guys really understand. So you guys see the way I'm like arranging the tool, making sure it's folded, making sure I get all 4 little pieces. It's so like hard to get those little pieces to behave. It is so hard. Like they just keep on like messing themselves up. Like I'm like, yo, you better chill out. So, but make sure they are folded, and then make sure you have all 4 pieces in your hand, because that's very important. Otherwise that thing is gonna come off. Like I told you guys, those little pieces cannot act right. And basically, if you understand what I'm trying to say, this socks should come out good for you. So guys, this is finally done. So I have my 4 little pieces, and I am so excited about that. So now I am just gonna start working on the band, and you need 5 inches of band. So that's what I'm working on right now. And of course, you guys know what I always do. Use pins for the 2 ends, and I'm gonna start working on it. So you're just gonna do it exactly how you do your tutu, and when you're done, you should have a beautiful anklet tutu. It's hard for me to know the right name to use. So you guys, what I did actually, I made sure I used the mint green and also the dark green for each socks. I call it socks, I call it whatever, but y'all know. So I'm just trying to sew the band, and that thing is so hard. That thing was just like so hard to stay. I should have made it like 6 inches. I suggest you guys make it 6 inches so you have more room. It's very good you have more room, because you don't want to be struggling like I was struggling. So what I actually did, I made sure I got my backward stitch on that little what they call it, little band. So it is very important. So what I actually did, let me just explain better. I did forward stitch all the way, because the band is so little. I did forward stitch, backward stitch, forward stitch, backward stitch, forward stitch, backward stitch, until I got it. So here I sewed the ruffle with the I'm trying to explain better. So here I sewed the 2 ends, and I have like 2 ends that I loosed. So I just go ahead and sew it, and that's it. And then your socks ruffle is gonna be ready. So I'm gonna do the other one off camera, and I'm gonna come back with the final results. So yeah, I'm excited about this new finding, or this new addition to my business. So I hope this is gonna really help you guys grow your business, because it will help because mothers are looking for the complete outfits. So that is very important to add to your business. Whew. This is so guys, this is how the anklets, Tutu anklet came out. I don't have a mannequin for the anklet, but I already ordered for it, but it's not coming until March. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna use a cup. But this is how it's supposed to look like on the kids' feet. And let me show you guys how the tutu is, so you can understand how it's gonna look like. And this is the tutu, so you can see you see the headband. So this is how it's gonna look like when the kid put it on. It's gonna be like a full tutu set. So if you guys are wondering, I haven't really posted the video for the tutu yet, and the t-shirts is coming very soon, and also this hairband, or not hairband, hair bow, everything is coming very soon, so you guys watch out for that. But this video is about this tutu anklet. So I just wanted to show you guys a final look of it. I hope that was helpful. So at least you know, when you have the leftover tool, you don't throw it away. That can be very useful. So, but anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, if this really helped you, if this is gonna change your business, if this is gonna add something to your business, if it's an addition to your business, please, all I ask for is a thumbs up, and also give me thumbs up so that other crafters can find this video helpful. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn on your notification bell so you can know each time I post a video. And also, you want to really for sure turn on the notification bell so you can know when I post this video for this tutu and this shirt. I layered everything that you can see. Let me focus it, put it on focus. Can you guys really see? There we go. So you see the shirt, you see the image. I literally layered everything, including the hair, the eyes. Like, this is regular vinyl. This is what they call that now, scissor easy weed. So I had to layer everything that you see on that. It is gonna be a detailed video, so don't miss out on that. And also, you should be getting a video on how to make this hair bow as well, so do not miss out on all of this goodies coming. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.